which is due to which we have lost 4 lives of our brothers, and there was also a retired army who was also was a part in the past in the Kargil war.
And even if it does seem silent, it is the silence before the storm, and people will raise up again against the government. And today, it's not just me, it's the whole voice of Ladakh. And as you can see it written on most of the banners that you can jail a man but not his voice. Welcome to Indie Journal. I am Prajakta, and today we are at Pune Sambhaji Garden. We have gathered here to witness a protest called by students from Ladakh and other student organizations in Pune in solidarity with them to protest and to demand the release of Sonam Wangchuk, who has been arrested under the National Security Act by police. We saw things unfolding in Ladakh for the past few months, and they reached a certain point this month where the protests that started for the demand of statehood for Ladakh and for Ladakh to be included in the sixth schedule of the constitution. The protests turned violent in some places, which led to a couple of deaths in Ladakh. And that followed the arrest of Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, well-known environmental activist and scientist who has been fighting for Ladakh statehood and for all these demands for quite a while now. Since his arrest, voices have been coming from different sectors and different sections of the society asking for his release and asking how a scientist and an activist who is well revered has been arrested by the police, who has been arrested by the government. We have students from Ladakh here who are expressing their concern about situation in Ladakh and who are demanding Wangchuk's release. Let's say what they have to say.
It's been 5 years since we are demanding about sixth schedule for the Ladakh, and first of all they said that sixth schedule can't be given to the Union Territory. That's why we started demanding about the statute also, so that the sixth schedule can be given under the statute for the Ladakh. But they have just procrastinated the dates of the meetings about which should have to be done till now, but it's just they are just further extending the dates of the meetings about the sixth schedule. And here I want to tell about all the facts that has been there, and all the जो मतलब गलत मतलब जिसपे मतलब सोनम वांगचुक को अरेस्ट किया गया है उसके बारे में भी the false allegations, and the false allegation which was first said by was DJP Ladakh, who have said in his one conference that Sonam Wangchuk was in touch with Pakistan, and he was also provoking the Ladakhi protectors against the government by giving examples of neighbor countries who has been non-violently protesting. And the first of all, the Sonam Wangchuk who went to Pakistan was right, but it's just about the climate conditions, and it was organized by the United Nations with collaboration with the drawn Pakistan media. And he just said there that it's just about the climate change. And second thing, what was Sonam Wangchuk was not provoking the Ladakhi protectors against the government, and the clip that government was using against him, in which they said that Sonam Wangchuk was provoking against government, was totally false, because the video was translated into English also, and he's totally focused on the non-violence revolution, not the violence revolution. He totally said that the Ladakhi people should follow the route which was followed by the Gandhi, non-violence route, in which he said that we should not harm others. We will harm ourselves by sitting on a hunger strike, and we will demand what our rights in that which was given by the democracy for all citizens of the India. And he said that, and the one thing that Home Minister said was the mob was started by the Ladakhi protectors by provoking, which was provoked by the Sonam Wangchuk was totally false, because first the mob was very non-violent, but when the police throws those gas bombs, after that the non-violence started, and the police just arrested Sonam Wangchuk for provoking, saying that he was provoking all the protectors on the 24th September, which was happened in the Ladakh, in which the BJP buildings were all burned out, and in which Sonam Wangchuk was arrested under NSA. And we also wanted the full investigation on the fire, which has due to which we have lost 4 lives of our brothers, and there was also a retired army who was also was a part in the past in the Kargil war, and we want a full investigation that who ordered it to fire, and all that, whether it's been goes through the all legal section or not. And the last, we want government to release Sonam Wangchuk. Thank you. हम भरोसा नहीं कर सकते कि उन्होंने मतलब गद्दारी की, और एनएसए के अंदर जो उन्हें रखा गया है, जो टेररिस्ट के खिलाफ यूज किया जाता है। और हम जानते हैं कि सोनम वांगचुक ने हमेशा नॉन वायलेंस के लिए ही बोला है। उन्होंने कभी भी किसी वीडियो में भी वायलेंस या प्रोवोक करने की कोशिश नहीं की। बस जस्ट एंड आई हैव आल्सो सीन द मेनी मीडिया चैनल्स, दे वर यूजिंग द स्मॉल क्लिप्स ऑफ द सोनम वांगचुक जस्ट ताकि वो मतलब दूसरे जो इंडिया के जो जानते नहीं है रियलिटी, उनको मतलब भड़काने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि सोनम वांगचुक ऐसा मतलब उन्होंने मतलब गद्दारी की है या वो सब है। पर हम जानते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या बोला है। जो भी वीडियो अभी तक 5 साल में जो उन्होंने हंगर स्ट्राइक पे रह के जो भी उन्होंने बोला है, उनका पूरा वीडियो है, और वो किसी से भी ट्रांसलेट करवा के खुद सुन सकते हैं, सीईसी से भी सुन सकते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या बोला था, और जो वो वीडियो क्लिप यूज कर रहे हैं और जो बता रहे हैं वो सब पूरा गलत है।
लद्दाख इज वेरी मतलब डिफरेंट एक जगह है जहाँ पर हमारा मतलब ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया इज वेरी डिफरेंट, हमारा कल्चर इज वेरी डिफरेंट, मतलब हमारा द वे वी लुक, द हाउ वी लुक, हाउ वी लाइक this all is very different from others. तो हमें ये प्रिजर्व करना है। We are very proud of what we wear, what we eat, what we मतलब हमारे ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया, हम इस पर बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब गर्व महसूस करते हैं। एंड हमें इसको गंदे करने या फिर यहाँ पर इंडस्ट्रीज लगाने की मतलब नहीं लगाना है। हमें जैसा है, हमारा फ्रेजाइल इकोसिस्टम है, उनको मतलब ऐसे हम देख रहे हैं कि इसको कैसे गंदे कर रहे हैं, तो वैसे हमें मतलब उसको प्रिजर्व करने, तो इसलिए हम लोग ये मांग करें 6 शेड्यूल में अगर हम आते, अगर हमें 6 शेड्यूल मिलता है तो मतलब वी वुड बी वेरी हैप्पी, क्योंकि लद्दाख में ऑलरेडी 90% ट्राइबल एससी लोग हैं। तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये लिखा है कि अगर एक जगह पे 50% से ज्यादा लोग ट्राइबल है तो उनको 6 शेड्यूल देंगे, बट लद्दाख में 90% है, बट फिर भी नहीं दे रहे हमें। अभी स्कूल्स भी कई दिनों से बंद थे, एंड आज ही खुला है स्कूल भी, एंड अभी 8th क्लास तक तो पूरा स्कूल भी बंद है, एंड नेटवर्क भी नहीं है वहाँ पर, सिर्फ फोन ही हो पाते, वैसे वीडियो कॉल वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं हो पाते, एंड हर जगह कर्फ्यूज लगे हुए हैं। अभी धीरे धीरे करके रिलीज हो रहा है, बट देन फिर भी बहुत जगह पे ऐसे हम ऐसे जैसे पहले जाते थे वैसे नहीं जा पाते अभी भी।
But now it's been 6 years and the condition of Ladakh is getting worse with every passing day. Even the problem of unemployment is arising there, which is the most important problem, I guess. But people are not aware about this. And I'm not from Ladakh, but I'm at least Indian, and it is my moral responsibility to stand for Ladakh and raise my voice. No matter what happens, is it just to say that India is a family? If we say it, we should be true for our words. Even today, there should be many more people here with us to support the Ladakh, but there are not. But that does not mean that, you know, government will take no actions. We are here and that is more than enough. And today it's not just me, it's the whole voice of Ladakh. And as you can see it written on most of the banners that you can jail a man but not his voice. So today we are here to represent Ladakh, to represent the Sonam Wangchuk. The great movie named Three Idiots has been named just because of him. The whole movie is on him, which is, I don't think is a joke. So we all should be aware that he was genuinely a very great man. He has put India on an international level. He has got many awards. And if we call him the anti-nationalist, then we fail as a citizen of India. And I have a message for youth in India. So I am a teenager and now the responsibility is in our shoulders. Now it is just us who have
to take initiative for the betterment of our country. So I genuinely request all the people out there to raise your voices for Ladakh. Let's stay together and let's stand strong. And we genuinely do hold the power. If we decide to bring out the change, then no matter what the world is doing, we can bring out the change. We do hold the power, and do not forget that our country is democratic. So we do have a right to do protest. We have a right to speak, and we have a right to raise our voices, and that's the thing we will do forever. I stand by Ladakh today, tomorrow, and whenever it is needed. Thank you.
We have gathered here against the arrest of Sonam Wangchuk, who is a great scientist who has been fighting for the statehood of Ladakh since 2019. It has been 6 years and the government has done nothing about it. 4 people have been killed and 1 has committed suicide. Many people have been injured and some are on the verge of being homeless. So we are here to fight against the injustice and to voice the opinions of Sonam Wangchuk, who has been wrongfully arrested. Our voices have been cut down, and nobody has been listening to us. So through this protest, we request the government to release Sonam Wangchuk or to bring attention to this case as much as we can. So it is not silent in Ladakh. People have been protesting. Some areas have gotten violent reactions, and even if it does seem silent, it is the silence before the storm, and people will raise up again against the government.
First of all, thank you to the people of Ladakh for being gathering here with us. And मतलब पुणे में यहाँ इतने लोग मतलब सोनम वांगचुक जी से जुड़े हुए, तो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू कि इतनी मतलब यूनिटी बना के यहाँ मतलब प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं उनके लिए। सोनम वांगचुक सर जी अभी मतलब अंदर इनसाइड जेल में है, तो हम वी द पीपल ऑफ लद्दाख हम यही चाहते हैं कि उन्हें जल्दी रिलीज किया जाए। और 6 शेड्यूल के बारे में बात किया जाए तो हमारे लिए 6 शेड्यूल बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। हमने कई बार पिछले 2-3 सालों से मतलब प्रोटेस्ट करते आए 6 शेड्यूल के लिए। और मोदी सरकार इनने भी मतलब हमारे से वादे किए थे जब हमें यूटी बनाया गया था, तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि हमें मतलब 6 शेड्यूल दिया जाए। हमारे वहाँ के लैंड्स और नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज जो भी है वो मतलब अपकमिंग फ्यूचर में मतलब उन्हें प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए। एज वी नो कि सोनम वांगचुक सर जी को ये भी कहा जाता है कि नहीं वो पाकिस्तान के साथ वो एंटी नेशनलिस्ट के साथ जुड़े हुए, या फिर ये भी कहा जाता है कि वो चाइनीज के साथ जुड़े हुए, उन्हें मतलब ऐसे दबाया जा रहा है। तो हम वी द पीपल ऑफ लद्दाख यही चाहते हैं लास्ट में कि जल्द से जल्द सोनम वांगचुक जी को रिहा किया जाए।
चांगली पद्धत म्हणजेच त्यांच्या अर्थाने चांगली पद्धत हीच पद्धत त्यांनी मणिपूरमध्ये वापरली आहे, हीच पद्धत ते आज लडाखमध्ये वापरतायत। आणि जिथं जिथं जनतेचे लढे अजून तीव्र होत आहेत त्या ठिकाणी ही हिंसा जनतेवर लादण्याची पद्धत सरकार वारंवार राबवत आहे, त्याचा सर्वप्रथम भारतीय जनतेनं निषेध केला पाहिजे। आणि आजही आपण इथे जे जमलो त्या गोष्टीचा तीव्र शब्दात कृतीतनं निषेध करतोय, त्याबद्दल आपण आपलं स्वतःचं अभिनंदनही केलं पाहिजे।
So these were the students in Ladakh who have been saying how the situation has been back home, how they have been talking to their families and finding out what's happening in Ladakh, and they have one demand right now, that is release Sonam Wangchuk. This was Indie Journal reportage. To see more such reportages and interviews and podcasts, do subscribe to our channel. If you think this issue is important, if you think this issue is serious, do comment, do share this video, like, subscribe and watch Indie Journal.